Yo guys, it's Novelty again. What a surprise, I'm making a stew. What else is new? Today we got artichoke hearts, lima beans, black beans, onion, garlic, serrano pepper, tomato. We got, a generous amount of spices in there. And we got some olive oil. This is all vegan. And then, avocado on the side, always. Put some lime in there, fresh squeezed lime. I hope everyone is having a good time out there in YouTube land. I just wanted to say that on my fake snow video, I think I definitely wasn't in the wrong after that one dude scientifically proved everything I was saying was wrong. But just because it turned black and it didn't melt, the blackness was the soot from the lighter. And then the reason why it didn't drip when the flame hit it is because of an effect called capillary or something. I don't know, I'm butchering that right now. But it's so dense that when it's lit, the air escapes, and that's why it doesn't drip, but there's still condensation. I don't know. I'm not a fucking scientist. I just know that there's been studies done, I think one of them was done by the University of Madison, that there are heavy metals in our snow. Look it up. It's on the internet. Just Google heavy metals, snow. You'll find it. There's a bunch of them. There's lithium, even there's fucking lithium in our snow. It's been chemically tested. So all I'm saying, whether or not that little thing I did with the fake snow video, whether or not that is, I was in the wrong, whatever. I'm not saying it was burnt. I'm not saying it's plastic. I'm saying just research what's in our snow. That's all. I guess that's the only thing I want people to take away from that. Yeah, whether or not what I did was scientifically valid or not, the main point is our weather's fucked. There is such thing as weather warfare. If you don't believe in that, then you're pretty much brain dead at this point. Oh no, it's just God sending us a different climate. No. Look up HARP, look up, if you don't know what to look up by now, then just don't. Go get your vaccine. Keep breathing in that beautiful air. Oh yeah, love that global warming. And I'm not saying global warming isn't completely true. Who's to know whether or not our climate is just naturally heating up, but I know that there is a lot of bullshit happening in chemtrails. Call me a conspiracy theorist because I think chemtrails are real. It's not just condensation. There's been plenty of, military action done with spraying in the skies to create different types of weather. Do your own research. Otherwise, just call me a conspiracy theorist and give this video a thumbs down. I really don't care. All right, everybody. It's Novelty. Have a great day.